Phylum Platyhelminthes. Platy meaning flat. Helminths meaning worm. Right? So platyhelminths, that's a flat worms. They are dorso-ventrally what? Flattened. Leaf जैसा, palm जैसा structure याद रखना, right? Dorso-ventrally flattened. So we call flatworms. Mostly they are endoparasites meaning yes, it enters into the host and derives nourishment. So found in animals including they possess what? And that helps to absorb the nutrients from the host cell, right? Next one, symmetry is bilateral meaning through only one plane of axis, organisms divided into two equal halves. Next, body organization in that triploblastic acoelomate, pseudocoelomate. If triploblastic acoelomate, then that's a triploblastic acoelomate. Then which one? Platyhelminths or Aschelminthes? Platyhelminths. But अगर मैंने Aschelminthes पूछ लिया तो याद रखना. That's why I have told you. Remember this phyla name in a sequence only. Right? So first two phyla जो हमने learn किया था Ctenophores, Cnidaria and Ctenophora. That is diploblastic tissue level. फिर कौन आया? Platyhelminths. Platyhelminths क्या बना? Triplo. First time triploblastic, but acoelomate. फिर कौन सा आएगा? Aschelminthes. That is triploblastic, but pseudocoelomate. Right? In this one, acoelomate and which level? Whereas in Aschelminthes, organ system level. So next phyla जब आएगा Aschelminthes in that organ system level. Up to what? Up to chordata. Which phylum? Chordata. You know Aschelminthes, annelids, arthropoda, mollusca, echinodermata, hemi and chordata. So unique features, they have what? Flame cells. Flame cells helps in osmoregulation and excretion. Osmoregulation meaning water and salt level balance into that organism, right? Some members like planaria that shows regeneration capacity. See here, this is the flame cells which helps in excretion, right? Reproduction, here you should remember what? Monoecious. Which one? Monoecious, meaning unisexual. Sexes are not separated. Fertilization is development is through many larval stages. Why these words are given over here? Because over there, example one of them, fasciola. Fasciola is a liver fluke. Fasciola is a in that. So many different, that's a larval name, Miracidia, Sporoseeds, Radia, Cercaria. So, and gradually it will convert into, so many larval stages are there. So it's a direct development or indirect? Indirect. When larval stage, indirect, right? Examples, Taenia, tapeworm. This is the Taenia, tapeworm, and this one is a which one? Fasciola liver fluke, right? Clear?